making it heavy. I want to just unlock it. Oh. Shit. None of them unlock.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to unlock this one. I'm in a hurry, but I don't know. None of them match.
Try
What's
this
that?
one. This is the key.
So does it make any difference?
Of course, this makes a real difference.
Let's try it. Wow, thank you. You saved my life.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, what was it for?
I'll let you know after program.
Of course. Hello and welcome to today's program with me, Suhail and Ali.
Hey everybody, you're most welcome again to the next episode of collocation programs.
Exactly. So in this episode, we've prepared 13 great collocations with the verb make.
Bravo. So I can't wait anymore.
Of course.
Let's dive into the first part.
The first one is make arrangements for.
Example. Yesterday I made arrangements for Daniel with his school curriculum because he's a little child.
Oh dear.
He doesn't know what to do.
I see. Make a change.
I'm so happy that you finally made a change for learning a new language.
Definitely. Make a choice.
Many years ago, when I had to make a choice between going to university or running a business, I was somehow bewildered. I didn't know what to do.
Make a comment.
If you want us to give you much more information, could you please make some comments here?
Yeah, why not? Make a distribution to.
Yesterday, I was in a meeting. There was a guy. He made a useful distribution to the discussion.
And make a decision.
Finally, I made my decision to run my business.
Perfect. Good for you.
Thank you. Guys, thank you for watching us. Let's start the second part of collocations with make.
Sure.
Number one, I can tell you that make an effort.
Michael is really making an effort with his physics this term.
Bravo, good for Michael. Make an excuse.
I'm too tired to go out tonight, Ali. Let's make an excuse and stay home.
Why not? Okay. Make a mistake.
I think they've made a mistake in our bill.
Do you know why?
I don't know, maybe they were busy.
Yeah. Make a phone call.
I gotta make some phone calls before dinner.
Good. Make friends.
Carolyn is really good at making friends.
Make an improvement.
Repainting this room has really made an improvement.
And finally, make progress.
He is making progress with his English class.
Bravo.
Hope you've enjoyed this session and don't forget to
subscribe,
like and share this video.
And click on the bell icon.
Yeah.
See you next session, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.